Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna talk about how to switch to iMessage from text message on your iPhone. So how we can fix it. So what you need to do is just do one simple thing. All we have to do is just go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here we have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the apps. Now from here we have to either scroll it down, navigate to the message, or you can search here. Just tap over here. Now type here for messages and we'll be getting this. Just tap over here. Now from here what you need to do is you have to scroll it down. You can see the iMessage is turned off. That is the reason you're having this. So just make sure that you have to turn on the iMessage, and also make sure one thing that you should be connected to the internet. So it's just like the usual way how like the social media apps, within the app you need this particular one to be turned on, and also you should be having the internet access as well. And also make sure the opposite person, those who are receiving the iMessage, should also be turning on this, and this is what we have to do. After trying this, turning on this, if you just go back and next time when you try to send any kind of messages, it will be working like iMessage, not like text message. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.